Welcome to Maths and Science by IITian channel. And I had briefed about complex numbers, complex numbers algebra or complex functions and started complex calculus. And I had promised that I will give a good example in the complex numbers or complex algebra or complex analysis. And I have taken one good example from IIT JEE Advanced 2025. That's a very good question. Yet clears your all concepts and concepts to be applied in this question and how to solve it in minutes. When your concepts are clear, you can solve it very easily without an error. I will show you. I go a little bit slow to make you clear the concepts again as far as the complex analysis is concerned. But you can do it faster in the examination. May not be same type. If questions are asked in complex analysis, you can answer them at a faster rate. Now, let us see. There is one condition is given in the complex plane that x plus iy minus z1, the modulus of x plus iy minus z1 is equal to 2 into x plus iy minus z2, where z1 is given as 1 plus 2i, z2 is given as 3i. Let us try to understand the meaning of it. Then we will solve the questions in minutes. Very easy question. Even though it looks tough at face value, but when you dwell into the question, it is a very easy question. Just application of your algebraic equations and some application of mind. Nothing to worry, it's an easy question, we will do it. Even though it looks a tough question at the face of it. Now, what is given? Z1 is equal to, please follow me carefully, 1 plus 2i. Z2 is equal to 3i. 3i is nothing but 0 plus 3i. This is Z1 is 1 plus 2i. I always told you whenever mathematics is done, it should be done with some geometrical interpretation. It is 0, that is O, origin. Z1 is 1 plus 2i. That means on x-axis it is 1, y-axis is imaginary number, x-axis is real number, this is y. On x-axis it pertains to x-axis. This value pertains to y-axis. Here this value pertains to x-axis. This value pertains to y-axis. For Z1, x-axis value is 1 and y-axis 2. That means here, let me say, this is the point Z1. That is 1, 2. And Z2. What is Z2? 0 on x-axis. That means this is the line. 3 on y-axis. This is 3. Let us see. This is Z2. 0, 3. 3i means 0, 3. Nothing on real line. I am explaining you. Don't take this much time in solving the question. I am explaining you so that you will understand better the geometry involved. Next, what is given? There is a curve. Because in a two-dimensional plane, the trace of the equation will be a curve. And what is that curve? Curve is defined by x plus iy minus z1 modulus is equal to 2 into modulus of x plus iy minus z2. Here what is z1? z1 is x plus iy minus 1 plus 2i. This modulus is equal to 2 into modulus of x plus iy minus 3i. This is the curve. And here in the question, we have to analyze this curve, whether it is a circle or not. If it is a circle, what is its center and what is its radius? It's a curve. Let us think that it's a curve. We don't know anything about it until unless we resolve it. Now, there is a point, some xy here, so that you try to understand the geometry. This is nothing but a point xy. The distance between the point xy and 1, 2. Point 1 to z1 is here, and let there be a point xy here. The distance between z1 and xy, this point let me say z, and distance between x plus y minus z2 means x plus y is xy, distance between z2 and xy. It is such that the locus of this point, the trace of this point, once we find out, fulfilling this condition, then we can trace this curve. That is called as curve tracing. We will do the curve tracing in the next step. You please try to understand. A point xy is defined in such a way that the distance between xy and z is equal to 2 into the distance between this point z. That means, let me say this point is z. Z, distance between z and z2, distance between z and z2, z is xy, 2 times of z and z2 is equal to z minus z1, distance between z and z1. Are you able to understand the geometrical interpretation? This is how we are getting the xy, and we are going to trace that curve, what it represents. This is the condition which is being fulfilled. X and y are variables. Z1 and Z2 are the fixed points. X and y vary. They are variables. And they are variables and corresponding to the point Z. Corresponding to the point Z. This is Z minus Z1 is equal to 2 into Z minus Z2. Z minus Z1 is equal to 2 into Z minus Z2. As per this condition, the curve is being formed. We have to understand what is that curve, what is the shape of the curve, and what are its center and radius if it is a circle. Now we will dwell into this is the geometrical interpretation. Please try to understand this. This curve may be like this, whatever may be. I am not aware. You are also not aware what type of curve it is. We are going to do it now, solving now. Z minus Z1 is x plus iy minus 1 plus 2y. That means it implies Z minus Z1, Z is x plus iy minus 1 plus 2y modulus is equal to the condition which is satisfied by the column 2 into x plus iy minus 3i. This is the modulus. Because it is x plus iy minus z1. z1 is 1 plus 2i. And 2 into x plus iy minus z2. Now what it happens? Modulus of x plus, I will take real numbers together plus I into y minus 2. We can write like this. X minus 1 plus I into y minus 2. That means the distance between z and z1 is z1 is equal to, distance between z and z1 is x minus modulus of x minus 1 plus I into y minus 2. From the geometry, how simple it is, you see. Now 2 into modulus of real numbers together plus I into y minus 3. Now we got something a plus ib. We got something in a plus ib form. What is the modulus of a plus ib? Square root of a square plus b square. That is the modulus of a plus ib. The distance that O to Z, this distance O to Z1, this distance O to Z1, this is O to Z, this is O to Z. Now A is known, B is known, square root of a square b square we can find out. Let us say here, then modulus of x minus 1 plus I y minus 2 will be square root of x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to 2 into square root of x square plus y minus 3 whole square. Now it is come into a ordinary quadratic equation, which you can easily do it within seconds. What is there? Nothing is there. Square on both sides. Square it. To bring it to this form, you should be able to understand the geometry behind it. Now, square it both sides. X minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to 4 into x square plus y minus 3 whole square. Which gives, this is a simple, your secondary school quadratic equations, x square minus 2x, right? This is a simple equation, which you need not worry much. Plus 1 plus y square minus 4y plus 4 is equal to 4x square plus 4y square, 2 into y minus 3 whole square, 2 into y into 3, 6. 6 into 4 is 24, minus 24y plus 9 into 4 is 36. Just to see how simple the following steps are. We have solved it. That's all. Nothing in this question now. 4x square minus x square. Take everything on one side. 3x square. 4y square minus y square is 3y square plus 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 it goes on other side. 36 minus 5 is 31 plus 31. X minus 2x will become plus 2x. Minus 4y becomes plus 4y. Minus 24 is plus 20y is equal to 0. This is a simple equation. 3x square plus 3y square plus 2x plus 20y plus 31 is equal to 0. Divide everything by 1 by 3 so that we will get in some form of x square plus y square plus 2 by 3x plus 20 by 3y plus 31 by 3 is equal to 0. Then what happens? X square plus 2 by 3x plus y square plus y square. It is plus or minus? Minus. Please cross check whenever you are doing something. Please let us cross check. It is minus because it is minus 24 here. Here also it is minus. It is minus. Y square minus 20 by 3y plus 31 by 3 is equal to 0. Then can we write it like this? You see, a circle. Here 2xy is not there. To say it is a parabola or hyperbola or that. A circle. Whenever 2xy is absent, we can say it can become a circle. Yes. And for a circle, what is the formula? X plus a whole square plus y plus b whole square is equal to c square. This is the form of the circle, where c is the radius a and b are the center. AB is equal to minus a minus b, we can say rather, center, and c is the radius when the circle is in this form. Now, how it is going to be? X square plus 2 by 3x, we can write it as x plus 1 by 3 whole square minus 1 by 9. 1 by 3 square, we are again adding and subtracting. Here, similarly, y square, y minus 10 by 3 whole square. This 10 by 3 whole square is here added, hence we will subtract. Minus 100 by 9 plus 10 by 3 whole square is 100 by 9 plus 31 by 3 is equal to 0. Then x plus 1 by 3 whole square plus y minus 10 by 3 whole square plus 31 by 3 minus 1 by 9 minus 100 by 9 is equal to 0. But we wanted it in x plus a whole square plus y plus b whole square is equal to c square. We will take the numbers on the other side, right hand side. Let us see what happens. X plus 1 by 3 whole square plus y minus 10 by 3 whole square is equal to 101 by 9 minus 31 by 3. That is equal to 101 minus 3 into 31 is 93 whole divided by 9. That is equal to 8 by 9. That means x plus 1 by 3 whole square plus y minus 10 by 3 whole square is equal to what it is? 2 root 2. 8 is nothing but 2 root 2 whole square divided by 3 whole square. 9 is 3 square. 8 is 2 root 2 whole square. Then this is in the form x plus a whole square plus y plus b whole square is equal to c square. Then what is the radius? It is a circle with radius is equal to 2 root 2 by 3. And what is the center? Minus a and minus b. What is minus a? Is nothing but minus 1 by 3. Minus b means minus of minus 10 by 3 is 10 by 3. The answer is the locus of this point or this curve tracing resulted in our tracing of the curve to be a circle. It's a circle with radius 2 root 2 by 3 and center minus 1 by 3 and 10 by 3. And in examination, when you prepare this type of questions and the theory, whatever I tell, you follow the concepts clearly, then the process of solving this particular question will be faster. You have to practice for faster way of solving these questions. And I have explained, because I am explaining to everybody, I did it slowly. When you do it carefully, it can be done in minutes. It's not a complicated problem as it looks, but the concept behind it should be understood fully so that we can solve the problem very easily. I teach my lessons in slow English because I want everybody to understand English and also understand the concept behind it. Not about doing the mathematics mechanically, it is doing the mathematics with some amount of consciousness and awareness about the concepts. Best of luck to everybody. Thank you for seeing this lecture, and I will come up with this type of questions as we complete our syllabus, because we have completed the syllabus of complex algebra to the maximum extent possible, and we entered into complex calculus since yesterday with Cauchy-Riemann equations. Then I thought it will be prudent for me, it is good for me and also for all of you to have a good question on complex algebra. It's a very good question. Thank you for seeing. If any value addition took place because of my lecture, please subscribe to my channel Maths and Science by IITian. Please share, review, view and comment on my lectures. Please view my previous lectures also, which are on vectors, especially for the physics classes, JEE Physics. I have started vectors. That vectors problem I will be taking up next. Very simple vector problem. It may look very complicated when you see it like this. The way I explained the vectors in the physics playlist That also you please see. I will attach both the playlists link to you, physics and also mathematics, so that you take the meanings from the physics vector classes, apply these in JEE Advanced and JEE Mains. Best of luck to you. Thank you.